Bye,
But
Sampath.
नेपाल मलाई हिन्दी इङ्ग्लिसमा अलिक कम्फर्टेबल छैन, हिन्दीमा बोल्न सक्छु।
Yeah, tell whatever language you know.
तिमीले बोल्न सक्छौ?
ए बोल्न बट है मलाई चाहिँ जस्तो बट मैंने इतना बड़ा सेशन नहीं होगा जैसे मैंने ऐसा नहीं हो सकता इतना फुल्ली 3 आवर्स मैंने अटेंड किया है, फुल्ली फोकस है, लेजर लाइटली फोकस किया है कि इतना बड़ा सेशन मैंने कभी भी फोकस नहीं किया है, पहली बार कर रहा हूँ। मैंने बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जो भी सेशन है। मैंने इतना बड़ा स्कूल में भी ध्यान नहीं दिया था। मैंने जब ये माइंड होता है उल्टा घूमता था, आज का सेशन है तो बड़ा घूमे, राइटली राइट डायरेक्शन जा रहा है, तो बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। टुडे की क्लास ये आज की क्लास से भी बहुत अच्छा होगा, वर्ल्ड क्लास जैसा लग रहा है। जब भी मेरा माइंड सेट नेगेटिव हो रहा है तो आज पॉजिटिवली आ रहा है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। टुडे क्लास वर्ल्ड क्लास तो बढ़ा जाएगा, ये आज से भी बढ़ा जाएगा टुडे।
Thank you so much, Uday. God bless you. Glad you liked it.
थैंक यू सर।
Yeah, is there anyone else who wants to share how was the session today? Just
Akshay, I would
yeah.
like just to say a few words to you.
Yes, sure.
I really, really salute you for all this great consulting championship that you have put together. Fantastic keynotes, very fluently in explaining, and you are an alpha leader in India, and especially have touched my heart all the way to North Macedonia. As I said in the comment, I am the ancestor of Alexander the Great.
Wow.
Because Alexander the Great, it has become a well-known name, but he never knew what is a filler. So I just want to thank you so much, and especially for these happy individuals that have been attending. I look forward, due to my obligations that I have in a daily life, but I will do my best to attend in the next 3 days as well.
Thank you
And
so
to
much.
get
Thank you
your
so
diamonds
much.
that you share with us.
Yeah, glad you liked it. You can also share to your friends and other people from your country also.
I will,
And they
for
can
sure.
also share.
I already posted in my Facebook wall. And
Awesome.
another thing that I downloaded, which have been putting me aside, is this newsfeed eradicator. So now my Facebook is so clean, YouTube is so clean. Lesser focus, definitely. It is one thing that it will help everyone.
Thank you, Musamil.
Thank
God
you,
bless
Akshay.
you.
Thank
Have
you.
a
God
great
bless
day.
you.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah. And is there anyone else who wants to share? Just tell me. I'm going to unmute you. You can share. Rahul, Nishant, Sanjay.
Rahul Chan, Nishan Jha. You can also share if you like.
Rahul wants to share, I think. Rahul, you are on the spotlight.
हाँ कर दो, unmute कर दो.
Yes.
You're already there.
नहीं, काफी अच्छा था टुडे का सेशन. अभी माइंडसेट के ऊपर काफी अच्छी इंसाइट्स मिले मुझे. और दूसरा कि टाइम मैनेज कैसे करना है और ज्यादा से ज्यादा आउटरीच करना है क्लाइंट के साथ, तो जिससे कि हमारा जो गोल है, एंड गोल क्लाइंट लेने का या फिर कंसल्टिंग क्लाइंट का, वो अचीव हो सके. तो ये 3 चीजें बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट थी. जैसे कि माइंडसेट सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि बेसिकली हम जो हाई टिकट की बात करते हैं तो बेसिकली यूएस में होता है या इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में होता है. तो सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंज ये है कि कम्युनिकेशन गैप उसको कैसे कॉन्कर करें. तो ये सीखने को मिला कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उस चीज से, आप अपनी जो भी एबिलिटी है उसका बेस्ट दो और जो भी है वो अचीव हो जाएगा अपने आप. तो ये काफी अच्छा था सेशन और एक्साइटेड हूँ अगले 3 दिन के लिए.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for sharing. In fact, you can share to your other friends, brother, sister, like your family team also. Even they can also join this free workshop. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, Rahul. Yes. And is there anyone else next who wants to share? Sandhya, you want to share? I'm going to pin you. Yeah.
Actually, the session was really great. We should thank you for conducting, because at time like COVID, like people need like more inspiration, and you're inspiring people. Please continue the journey what you're doing. I'm really happy that I joined the session. So only few session makers be till the end. So your session has one and that. So I'm happy that I'm there. Even I thought like until yesterday I was in my in-laws place. I thought today I could never attend the place, but universe helped me to come back to my parents' place for this 1 week I'm here, so that 4 days I'm going to attend your classes.
Awesome.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sanjay. Glad you liked it. Thank you. And is there anyone else who wants to share? Nishant, do you want to share anything? Nishant Jha. You can unmute yourself. Nishant, we can't hear you.
Yeah, I really like your session, and I was struggling from the last 1.5 years, but I can't achieve my goals and dreams, whatever I have goals. So I need to focus only core area, and that core area is communication, consulting to the client, and only I need to outsource all other work, website designing work. Only I need to communicate to the client. Thank you, Akshay, for the workshop.
Thank you, Nishant. Glad you liked it, and thank you everyone for sharing. And if there is someone else who wants to also share how it was, you guys can tell. And thank you everyone for joining. Let's see everyone tomorrow. Okay, have a great day. You guys can take a screenshot, tag me on Instagram, like post it in the group, everyone. Okay. God bless you, everyone. Bye bye. Good night, everyone. For Muzamil, it will be like morning, I think. So good morning for you.
Good morning.
Yeah. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye. See you. See you, everyone, tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.